All right, we want to set up a trig ratio and solve for the missing side for this right triangle here. So first thing to recognize, here's my reference angle. It's 41 degrees. It projects to this side, which makes this the opposite. And the side that's next to it is the adjacent side. So I need a trig function, either sine, cosine, or tangent, that's going to relate the opposite to the adjacent. So tangent is my trig function that gives me the ratio of opposite to adjacent. So that's that SOHCAHTOA. That's that TOA. So tangent of 41 is equal to 4 over x. 4 being my opposite, x being the adjacent. So I want to multiply both sides by x, multiply both sides by x, and then divide by tangent of 41. Divide by tangent of 41. I end up with something that looks like this. X equals 4 over tangent of 41. Plug that into my calculator. Here's my calculator. So I've got 4 divided by, and then I want to find the tangent of 41. So first thing I'm going to do is enter the number 41. And then I'm going to go up to this trigonometry, and I want to pick tangent. So it's going to take the tangent of whatever number I have up here. Tangent of 41 looks like that. It's a big ugly decimal. And then I multiply it by 4. Slide that down a little bit. Or I'm sorry, I divide 4 by that. So 4 divided by the tangent of 41, just like we have here in the problem. Hit equals, and there is my answer, 4.6. So back to my problem. X is approximately 4.6 for this particular triangle.